video we will discuss about top 10 money-making website where you can earn money easily. So before starting the video, I have requested to you that if this video is helpful for you, so hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon for more interesting updates. So let's get started. 1. Upwork. Upwork is a popular freelancing platform where you can find various job opportunities in fields like writing, graphic design, programming, and more. 2. Amazon Mechanical Turk. This platform allows you to complete small tasks, known as human intelligence tasks, HITs, and get paid for them. These tasks can include data entry, surveys, and content moderation. 3. Fiverr. Fiverr is a marketplace where you can offer your skills and services starting at $5. You can provide services like graphic design, writing, video editing, and more. 4. Swagbucks. Swagbucks is a website that rewards you for completing online surveys, watching videos, playing games, and shopping online. You can earn points, Swagbucks, that can be redeemed for gift cards or cash. 5. Etsy. If you have a talent for crafting or creating unique products, you can sell them on Etsy. It is an online marketplace for handmade and vintage items, as well as craft supplies. 6. YouTube. YouTube is a popular platform for creating and sharing videos. You can monetize your YouTube channel by enabling ads on your videos, partnering with brands for sponsored content, or promoting your own products or. 7. Airbnb. If you have a spare room or property, can list it on Airbnb and earn money by renting it out to travelers. This can be a great way to make passive income. 8. Teachable. If you have expertise in a particular subject, you can create and sell online courses on Teachable. This platform allows you to create and host your own courses and earn money from student enrollments. 9. Shutterstock. If you have photography skills, you can sell your photos on Shutterstock. This platform allows photographers to upload and sell their images, earning a commission each time their photos are downloaded. 10. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing involves promoting products or services of other companies and earning a commission for each sale or lead generated through your referral. You can join affiliate programs of various companies and promote their products through your website, blog, or social media channels. Remember, making money online requires time, effort, and dedication. It's important to choose opportunities that align with your skills and interests, and to be consistent in your efforts to see results.
I hope that you understand well, so if this video was helpful for you guys, then subscribe Mrcrazytech YouTube channel for more interesting updates. So best of luck, and we'll be meet within next video. Take care, goodbye.